Morning, dear students. Today is Tuesday, 27th April 2021. Our topic is factorization, HCF and LCM. Dear students, in our previous lecture, we have started exercise number 4A, page number 42. We have done question number 1 and 2, which were related to prime factorization. Factorization is a process through which we break a composite number, and after breaking the composite number into its prime factors, we can find its HCF and LCM, highest common factor or least common multiple. So today we will do question number 3 and 4. Question number 3 is find the HCF of. Here in question number 3 they have given you factors and you have to find its HCF. Remember that these commas between each term, that one, they are showing that these are separate factors of a number. So first of all you will write them vertically. We will start the solution as first of all we will write them vertically. 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 2, 3 power 3. Second term is 2 power 2 multiply by 3 power 2 multiply by 5. Third term is these commas showing the different term. 3 power 2 multiply by 5. You know that to find HCF, highest common factor, first of all we have to identify common factor. So common factor in all these three terms is 3. Whether it is 3 power 2 or whether it is 3 power 3, 3 is present in all three terms, and if we observe their power, 3 power 2 means 3 power 2. 3 power 2 means 3, 2 times 3. 3 power 3 means 3 times 3. We have 2 3 power, we have 2 3 power 2. So when we find out the common factor, we will circle the smallest term, because if you see we have three threes, so only two are common in all three terms. That's why common factor will be 3 power 2. Among the common factors you will choose the lowest power. It's 3 power 2. 3 power 2 means 2 times 3, so 3 threes are 9. Our HCF will be equals to 9, right? Our HCF will be equals to 9. Let's see another part. In second part we have also three terms. First of all we will write them vertically. Write the heading of solution, underline it, then write these terms vertically with the equal sign. 2 multiply by 3 power 2 multiply by 5. Second term is only 5 power 2, and the third term is 2 power 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, common factor is 5. You can see that 5 is present in all the term, right? So, and lowest power is 5 power 1, right? 5 power 2 is greater. So, highest common factor is equals to 5. Easy na? So 5 is our HCF. That's all. Question number 3 has two parts. Let's move on to question number 5. Question number 4. Question number 4 is find the HCF of the following numbers by using prime factors. Clearly, we have to find prime factors of the given number. After that, we have to find the highest common factor. We have done it in 5 class as well, so I hope it will be easy for you. First of all, we will write numbers separately. First of all, we will write 36 and find its prime factor. Test of divisibility helps you a lot in identifying which number from which number we should start. Its last number is even, so we will start with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So 2 eighteens are 36. You can do division as well. 2 nines are 18. Then 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, 3. Let's find out the factors of 84. Last number is even, so we will start with 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 21s are 42. 3 sevens are 21. 7 ones are 7. That's all. These are the factors of 87. Now we will find out HCF. First of all, we will write first number was 36. 36 is equals to, we will write its prime factor, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then we will write the prime factors of 84. These are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now we have to find common factor, which is equals to 2, 2, 3, right? So common factors are 2 into 2 into 3. So highest common factor HCF is equals to 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. So 12 is our answer. Let's see another part. Only 1 to 5 part of question number 4 are included. So we will do part number 1, 3 and 5. You will try to do part number 2 and 4. So I am doing third part. Third part is you have to find the HCF of 36, 54 and 108. Now we will start our solution. I am doing them combinedly in a single line, but you have to follow the pattern which I have done in part number 1. Means you will find out the prime factor of 36. After that, after prime factor of 36, you will find the prime factor of 54. I am doing it in a single line so that I can explain you in more better way. So start with 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Now factors of 54. Last number is even, so start with 2 table. 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Again 108. Last number is even, so start with 2 table. 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So these are the factors of 36, 54 and 109. Now we will find the HCF. First of all, 36 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 54 is equals to into 3 into 3 into 3. 108 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Common factor is equals to, now you can see that 2 is common in all three numbers. Then 3 is common. Again 3 is common. So common factors are 2 into 3 into 3. Highest common factor HCF is equals to 2 threes are 6, 6 threes are 18. 18 is the highest table in which 36, 54, 108 occur combinedly. That's all for today. You will do question number, you will prepare your page properly and nicely. After that you will do question number 3 on notebook. After that you will do question number 4 part 1, 3 and 5 as a classwork, and then you will try to do part number 4 and part number 2 and 4 by yourself. If you have any problem you can ask. Allah Hafiz.